So my name is Dmitri Evseev, and I'm the founder of ARBI.CITY, or ARBI.CITY. Can you guys hear me in the back? Excellent. OK. So about 2 years ago, I traded a corner partner's office in one of the law firms here in the city for jeans and a T-shirt, and I founded ARBI.CITY. The reason I did that was I'd had that office for about 12 years, and I'd been working on some of the same cases in dispute resolution and arbitration. They were fascinating cases, but I felt like things were moving a bit slow for my taste, and I decided to go back into tech, which is what I had been doing before I went into law. So I wanted to bring the latest technologies to dispute resolution professionals who are often too busy to have time to explore everything that's going on. And of course, I didn't know that the generative AI wave was going to hit the way it did at the time. But it was an opportune moment for us. So what we started to do at ARBI.CITY is build private AI tools. And by private tools, I mean we have a hardware device. I think we're one of the only folks here today who actually have a piece of hardware. This piece of hardware is our box, the white box. This box is entirely AI in a box, so basically anything ChatGPT can do, you can do locally, because these days you can download the AI model to be next to your data rather than sending your data up to the cloud to the AI. And how many of you watched or saw Apple's announcements a couple of days ago about their new AI features? So a few of you. So Apple's idea is bring everything to locally to your device, to your phone, to your laptop, do everything privately because your data is private. And of course, we know generative AI is a fantastic tool. It is a great toy when it's just ChatGPT. It becomes a productivity tool when it's linked up with your data. And when it's linked up with your company information, with your workflows, that's when it becomes a real productivity tool. But of course, the moment you do that, you expose your data. And so you don't want to be exposing your data to the world. You don't want to be exposing it maybe even to any third party. Maybe you want to keep everything in-house. So this is the premise of what we are doing. We're trying to help every company have their own private ChatGPT, private tools that are tuned for their purposes, that are tuned for their workflows, that are better and more reliable for the functions that they need. They have more flexibility, more customizability, and they have more control, most importantly, over where their data goes, over when they decide to upgrade or decide to switch to another tool or add new features. So this is now possible through the wonders of several companies that are building frontier models and allowing you to download them onto your device. Apple is doing a great job, but the issue that you have with on-device AI is that actually maybe your personal data lives on your phone, maybe your personal data lives in your laptop, but your company data does not live on your laptop. Your company data hopefully does not live on your phone. It lives in a corporate data center, or it lives inside of your firewall, your corporate intranet. And so our idea is to put the AI exactly in that point, so you don't ever have to send your company data outside of the confines of your intranet. You basically keep the data there, you connect it to the AI engine, and essentially this is just a powerful inference engine for AI. So it's a tool that allows you to deploy a variety of AI models. You can deploy a model like an LLM, a large language model. You can deploy a vision model in order to scan documents. You deploy a model for speech recognition, so you can transcribe audio and video into text. You can deploy a whole variety of AI models locally on your device, and that way your data does never need to travel anywhere. And better yet, you can then fine-tune your model to be better at the tasks that matter to you. So let's say you find that the model out of the box doesn't work as well for a particular problem set or for a particular set of questions that you ask it. You say, OK, I'm getting poor reliability, I'm getting hallucinations, I'm getting all these issues. So what you can do is you can say, OK, here's a set of documents, here's a set of desired outcomes. I want to train my model. I'm going to use maybe some of my lawyers who have produced good work have already shown what the process should look like. I'm going to use that as examples, and I'm going to teach the model to do exactly that. I'm going to teach it to be better at the specific tasks. And so what having a model privately hosted on your infrastructure allows you to do is to fine-tune your models, to customize it, to link it up with your data, and to give you a competitive advantage. Because if everyone is using Copilot, you're just getting exactly the same answers from everything. You're not adding any value, and essentially you are just the same. If you're a law firm, you're just the same as every other law firm that's using exactly the same tool and getting the same outputs. If you want to derive an advantage from your work product, from your knowledge, from your years of experience, what you really want is to build your own model or deploy a model that others have built, but then you customize it and you fine-tune it, and over the years you get to develop your expertise, and you can tell clients, hey, we have an in-house model that we have fine-tuned that is good. Basically, it takes a lot of the in-house knowledge that we have and a lot of the experience that we have, and that's an important value-add service proposition. So we are offering that. We're certainly not the only ones who are going in this direction, but this product category did not exist 18 months ago. Most people still today probably don't know that you can deploy AI locally, that you don't have to buy a ChatGPT subscription or a Copilot subscription. So if the most important thing I want you to take away from this talk today is this is an option, this is a product category, and you should be actively exploring it if you're not already. So there's a lot of information on our website about generative AI in general. We have information videos. We're launching education programs because we think it's really important for everyone to get up to speed on the new technologies. So come visit our website. Come join if you're a disputes professional, come join our platform. We have an online mini LinkedIn for dispute resolution professionals at ARBI.CITY. And of course, check out our new AI tools, both the privately hosted version as well as an AI encrypted workspace that we're launching very shortly. So thank you very much for your time, and I'll be taking any questions later on after the end. You can come up and talk to me. So thank you very much.